in this question. Write the following function in the simplest form. So we have to put our solution in the simplest form for the given function. So here, first of all, we have to understand some formulas. First is 1 minus cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 sine squared theta. So when we get here 1 minus cos theta, so that means theta is divided by 2. So we have to divide both sides. So we will get 2 sine squared theta by 2. And similarly, one more formula, which is 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is equal to 2 cos square theta. So again, when we divide this theta by 2, we will get 1 plus cos theta, and in the RHS form, 2 cos square theta by 2. So we are going to use our formulas which we have created over here according to the question. So now first of all, we are having our function which is tan inverse x divided by square root of a square minus x square, and here x is given, absolute value of x is less than a. So this is our question. So in our solution, first of all, here we will put our value, that is according to the formula which I have explained earlier. So now if we take x as equal to a sine theta, and here on the place of x we will put a sine theta. So similarly, denominator we can put here a, in the place of a square we just put it over a, minus on the place of x we can put a sine square theta again, and the whole square. So that is now tan inverse a sine theta divided by, within the square root we have a square minus a square sine square theta. I'm sorry, this is not a square over here. So now what next? Further we can take tan inverse a sine theta, within the square root we can take a square common, so we will get 1 minus sine square theta. So here this will be tan inverse a sine square theta, I'm sorry, a sine theta only, further divided by, we know this is equal to 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. So we can replace this value a cos square theta, a square multiplied by a cos square theta. So this is tan inverse a sine theta divided by, when we remove the square root we will get a cos theta. So a and a will be cancelled, and that's why we will get tan inverse tan theta. So tan and tan will be cancelled here, tan and tan will be cancelled, so we will get here theta only. So when we get here only theta, so we can check here theta is equal to sine inverse x by a. What we have assumed over here, x is equal to a sine theta, so when we get value of theta, that will be equal to sine inverse, and x will be divided by a. So we have replaced this value in our question. So here's the solution for the question. This is the simplest form of the given question. This is our answer.